Here we have our sample chart where we will write down our trial number, volume, mass, and density. We will also include a percentage error and a chart. I will be opening a new tab to show you how. At the top, I will highlight 3 cells and merge them. Write the title. I will organize my sheets like this. Mine is much more simplified than yours. I will enter my data. Right now, I'm just making up data so you guys can see examples. Afterwards, we will find the density using the formula mass divided by volume. We can have the sheet find this automatically by writing the equals sign, choosing a cell to be divided by another cell. I'm going to write slash for division, and click on the other cell, and then click enter. You don't have to do this every time. Simply click the cell with a formula. Our formula shows up here. Choose the small blue square, click, hold, and drag down. You will notice that the equation is copied following a series. We will then find the average of all of these numbers using another formula. Click the cell below your results, choose Insert, Function, and Average, and highlight the results. This will be exactly what we are averaging. After that, type Enter. Notice the formula bar, which is up here, does not show a number. It now shows the formula and function. Now we will have to make a chart by highlighting the mass, which will act as our y-axis. Choose Insert, Chart. We are initially given a column chart, which I'm going to move down so we can still see our data. And we want to change this to a line chart. In the chart editor over here, we can choose line chart for chart type. Add the x-axis values, which is our volume. So here's our x-axis. I'm going to highlight our volume and click OK. And we can see that show up now in our chart. Now we can customize our chart by adding a chart title in the chart and axis titles. I'm going to change this to chart title, add a title, and then I can change it to our horizontal axis title and our vertical axis title. We can also add points in our series to indicate our exact results. So I will go down to series and point, maybe change the shape, and when I click on the chart, I can see the exact results. Finally, in order to find percentage error, I'm actually going to move this. In order to find percentage error, we take our average. I'm going to click equals and choose this number. Enter. We'll see why we do that later. The accepted density, which we see here, is 0.997. And we add another formula, which equals average minus accepted Then divide by accepted and multiply by 100. So we can write this by typing equals. Equals means there's going to be a formula. I'm going to write parentheses, parentheses, which is my average minus my accepted, parentheses, minus, again, my accepted, and I'm putting the parentheses again, because all of this I want to be multiplied by 100, which gives us a new number. You can add values by right-clicking the rows and inserting cells. That one went backwards, so I'm actually going to go insert below. I can add more values. And we notice that the chart changes automatically. This does not add automatically. I can simply drag my blue line down again, my blue square down again, and then my average doesn't change, but I notice the last result was in D7, so I can simply change this to D7 and click enter. But now I know that this changes automatically, along with this, and my chart. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask.